Installing FrontPage extensions. This tutorial will show you how to install FrontPage extensions in cPanel. In order to publish a website created in Microsoft FrontPage, FrontPage extensions must first be installed. Scroll down to the Advanced section. Click the FrontPage extensions icon. Click the Install Extensions button. If previously installed extensions are giving you trouble, click the Clean Up Old Extensions button. Cleaning up old extensions is always preferable to uninstalling and reinstalling them. Doing the latter will overwrite the contents of your site's .htaccess file, which may contain information important to your site's functionality. Congratulations! You now know how to install FrontPage extensions.